Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I show you how to make Michael Jackson dance filter in Sparkar Studio. So let's start it. So when you open Sparkar Studio, you will see different defaults templates already is there. So from here we are going to choose World Object. Open the template. As you open, you will see there will be an example object as there to guide us, but we have to simply select the object and delete it and import the fbex file and simply open the file and drag and drop to in between these. The model is placed there, so just simply scale it and adjust it in a proper manner so it will look good, and then select the material, go to right hand side and change the standard mode to blend and fix the color of the material. If you see any difference, as I am doing, after then go down below assets panel and click on plus sign and select animation playback controller, and then go to right hand side and select your animation which you had given to the model, and then go to object panel, select the model and then go right hand side and change the animation to animation playback controller. Now play, you can see the dance move of Michael Jackson. So I hope you like this short tutorial. This is the special video of Michael Jackson birthday, and yes, you can try this filter. I already made this. Link is given in the description box. So hope you can like this tutorial, download this model and give your own dance movement to the Michael Jackson model and post it in your Instagram. And yes, if you want this fbex file, email me. Link is given in the description box. Do subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Till then, stay tuned, take care, bye.